Hello, all. Welcome back. Today I'm here again with new topic and that is classification of profession. Today we're gonna discuss on this topic. Today we're gonna know how many types of, in how many types we can classify the profession. Okay. So basically, as we all know, people are engaged in different profession according to their interest, ability, skills, and qualification. On the basis of nature, profession can be categorized in various forms. They may be traditional or modern, skilled, semi-skilled or unskilled, technical or non-technical, generalist or specialist, and so on. Okay. So let's see. The types of profession we are going to deal are, you can see here the three types. Number one, sector-wise profession. Number two, generalist and specialist. Number three, nature of service. Okay, so we are gonna discuss on these three types in brief. Okay, so you will understand. Let's see sector wise profession. Sector wise profession means, I hope all of you know the meaning of sector. Sector means what? Simply to say segment or division, right? So sector wise profession include agriculture, forestry, engineering, medicine, tourism, teaching, so on. I hope you noticed earlier when there was a table at that time, there was some points written, right? You can once go back and you can watch it. The same thing I've mentioned: agriculture, forestry, engineering, medicines. That are the examples of sector-wise profession. Every sector profession have technical and non-technical aspect. It can also be categorized into sub-sector. Okay, for an example, let's see. Sub-sector professions are agriculture and forestry profession, includes fruit farming, animal farming, hops planting, fishery, etc. I think many of you have not understood. Simply what you understand is sector-wise profession means, let's take an example, engineering. Engineering also one sector, right? So now if you say engineering means what engineering? In engineering also there are many sectors to which we say sub-sector. Example, civil engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. These all become what? Sub-sector of what? Engineering. And in engineering is also a sector. I hope you understood that, right? Okay, now let's see generalist and specialist. From these two words only, you can understand simply. Generalist means simply what you can understand: general. Specialist means special. Let's see. The person with a broad general knowledge are generalist. Okay, they have knowledge in several areas. They have the ability to combine ideas of various fields. For an example, let's see. Administrative post like section officers, Nayab Subba, etc. These are the example of generalist. Okay. Now let's see the specialist one. Specialists are the person who are expert in and have depth knowledge and skill in particular sector. For example, technical post like veterinary doctors, pilot, civil engineer, etc. Right? I hope you got the point. Specialist means simply, let's say, see here, civil engineer means that person will have the depth knowledge on his profession. Means in civil, he will not be much more talent in computer engineering or electrical, right? Basically, he will be in on his profession, right? And generalist means having lots of idea, or you can say having lots of knowledge in several areas, but specialist only in one particular area. Okay, I hope you got that. Okay, now let's say production oriented and service oriented. From these two words only, you can see here, production means to produce, simply you can say, and service means to provide service. Okay, let's see the points. In the production oriented profession, people are engaged in making certain products or good. Okay, to simply to say produce. For an example, vegetable farming, knitting, weaving, etc. are production oriented profession. What's being here? Here the things are being produced. Okay, now let's see service oriented. In the service oriented profession, people use their skills and knowledge for serving the people and the society. An example, let's see: tourism service, telecommunication service, civil service, etc. are the service oriented profession. Means in production you will say simply you will be producing something. Okay, in service oriented, simply what you understand, you are giving your service over there. I hope you have understood the three types that we discussed: sector wise, specialist, generalist, and production service oriented. I hope it has been cleared, right? So, for today, this much only. Again, I'm gonna get back to you with a new topic very soon. Okay. So, do one thing. If you have any questions related to this topic or any confusion that you have not understood, then comment below. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get my upcoming video directly. Okay, so okay, this was for today. We'll meet you soon. Bye. Have a good day. Stay safe. Okay.